Hello, and welcome from the Repast group at Florida Polytechnic University in Lakeland, Florida. This is the second in a series of video guides on how to use Repast on high-performance computers, or HPCs. This video will teach you basic Unix commands for navigating and manipulating the HPC environment. Topics covered in this video are listing the files in a directory, printing the working directory, changing between directories, deleting a file, deleting an entire folder and its contents using a recursive delete, making a folder, and reading and writing a file using Nano, a simple text editor. So for this tutorial, I already have the SSH secure shell open on the right and our repast.txt notepad document open on the left. So the first command that we are going to work with are listing files in a directory. Here, in the SSH secure shell, I am in my home directory, which we know because of this tilde. So to see all the files in my home directory, I'm going to type in ls, followed by enter. Now the ls command is going to show everything that I have in this directory. As you can see, I have a text document, a C file, a folder called 1, another text document, a folder called source, and a tar file called source.tar. Now, the next command we're going to learn is print working directory, which is done by typing P W E followed by enter. And what this does is it prints the file path from all the way from the root to the current directory we're in. And we can see that we are in home and then Quentin Goss 0323, which is my home directory. Now, there's a lot of clutter on the screen, and we want to clear up our console. So, to do this, we're going to use the clear command, which is done by typing C L E A R followed by an enter, and this should clear up all of the trash on the screen and bring our cursor up to the top. Now that we've learned how to list a file, print the working directory, and to clear up the console, we are going to change between directories. So first, we want to see which folders we have in our home directory. Again, we type in ls followed by enter. And we want to navigate to one of our folders here. So we're going to navigate to the 1 folder. And to do this, we type in cd, which stands for change directory, followed by a single space. And then we type in the directory name that we want to go to. In this case, we're going to go to 1, so we type in 1. And now we're in the 1 folder. So we'll type in ls to see what's in here. And we can see that in the 1 folder, there is a 2 folder. So we can go up to 2 by typing cd space 2, TWO, followed by an enter, and then we can list our files again. And we can see that in 2, we have the folders 4 and 3. Let's clear up the screen using clear, C-L-E-A-R, followed by an enter. Then we'll list our folders one more time, L, S, Now, what if we want to go back to 1 or even to our home directory? So, to go back one directory, to go back to 1, we are going to type in cd, or change directory, followed by a single space, and then we are going to type in // Now this .. stands for previous directory. So when we enter this command, we can see that we are now in directory 1. And when we list using ls, we can see folder 2. Now, let's go up a couple folders. Say we want to go from folder 1 to folder 3. So we can do this by using change directory, cd, followed by a single space. The next folder in 1 is 2. But we don't want to stop at 2, we want to go to 3. So we'll use a // and then we'll type in 3, P-H-R-E-E, and press enter. Now, we are in directory 3. Now to show where we are, again, we will use the print working directory command, which is pwd, followed by enter. And now we can see where we are in the computer. We can see that we are at the home in my account. We are in the folder 1, and folder 2 is in folder 1, and folder 3 is in folder 2.